In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use BlackBox AI in Visual Studio Code. The first thing you need to do is open your Visual Studio Code. On the left side, click on the extensions icon. In the search bar, type BlackBox AI. You'll see a few results, but choose the first one called BlackBox AI Coding Agent and Coding Copilot. Click on it, then click Install. When prompted, click Trust Publisher and install again. Wait a few seconds while it finishes installing. Once it's installed, you'll see the Uninstall button appear, which means the extension is ready to use. You'll also notice a new BlackBox icon added on the left sidebar of vscode. Click on the BlackBox icon and you'll open the BlackBox panel. Here, you can see the chat area where you can interact with the AI. You can also sign into your BlackBox account directly from this panel to sync your preferences and access all features. And that's it. That's how you install and use BlackBox AI inside Visual Studio Code. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more coding and AI tool tutorials.